Wiseman didn't lie. He didn't lie at all. The actual story is more sinister than the AI generated screenshots. And I need to account. Didn't do accounting, but I must account. Because Sana, who would have thought that a man that said is not cheating is not cheating? But obviously, I didn't believe him. And now I must come here and tell you what actually went down. This video is brought to you by Pretty Coils, a South African hair care product launching an amazing line, premium virgin hair.
Hi everyone, we are Pretty Coils, a small hair care brand in South Africa, and we are currently launching our 100% premium quality human hair virgin wigs. As you can see for yourself, the quality is giving and the prices are pretty affordable. We have different styles, for example, this full frontal Burmese wig, and we have it in different lengths and colors. And of course, we've got our bone straight human hair wigs, also full frontal, as well as the Kim K option. We have double drawn and super double drawn options, giving consistency in fullness. Feel free to reach out to us on Instagram and on WhatsApp. Instagram, you can find us on prettycoils_RSA. And for our opening specials, we will be providing you guys with one free satin item, whether it's a satin pillowcase, a satin headscarf or doek, or a satin bonnet per customer as you purchase one of the virgin hair wigs. We are working on a first come, first serve basis, and enjoy your spoils from Pretty Coils. Looking forward to hearing from you, and thank you for supporting our small business.
Yani amukela kwenkqubo yami bomtaba kajayati bomtaba kagogo bomtaba ka-auntie bomtaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. We normally don't do videos on Sundays, but le beyipoqa, guys, beyipoqa. In as much as I ran here to tell you that I don't believe that Wiseman didn't cheat and he's blaming AI, he's lying, I must come here and apologize with my chest. Ne? The same way I must Usain Bolt, right? He was on Podcast and Chill on Friday, and he said his side of the story regarding these allegations. So the allegations were that shortly after he got married, there was a viral story that was going around social media saying that Wiseman fathered a child outside his marriage, and the alleged mother of the child has come onto social media to expose him using what? Screenshots from Instagram. On the screenshots, it showed that this girl was like, I'm pregnant, and then I've given birth. The child is a boy, and Wiseman was just like, I have a wife. Who's gonna believe you? No one's gonna believe a nobody over me. That was on the screenshots, right? And then here is actually what happened, right? We now have both sides of the story. After the podcast episode aired, the baby mother alleged AI person also came out with the video, right? So let's just go through everything. Wiseman did say Hori, there was this person that was obsessed with him so much so that they went on to create characters and figures, uh, putting his name like through the mud, Sana, right? Even having a tattoo of him. And this person was just trying to make his life a living hell with all these fake allegations, which were not true. He went as far as saying we are dealing with someone who has mental instability, and he wanted to go like and open a case because this is like now it's giving cyberbullying. Okay, sharp. Now, Aliyah, the main character of this whole story, has also come out with a 40-minute long TikTok video that I watched. So I will break everything down. Right. Please remember the names I'm going to tell you. There's a girl by the name of Ubuhle. Ne? Ubuhle is the alleged baby mama. Yaga Wiseman Ngube. Right? And then there's a girl by the name of Ualia. Ualia is actually the magician, the generator of the screenshots. Mamela, this one needs to be under the jail next to Rosemary Ndlovu, Ualia. Right. These two girls are friends, and they are 16 and 17 respective 15 and 16 respectively at the time. Ne? And they were friends at this time, right? And they attended some party at a lodge. Ne? When they attended this party at the lodge, there happened to be two other guys there at the party. It is alleged that Ubuhle engaged in private part collaborations with these two guys, which resulted in a pregnant in her stomach. So after the party, the two girls fell out, Aliyah Nobuhle. They fell out. Ubuhle is the one that is pregnant, right? After the falling out, a lot of time passed because the child was now 1 year and a couple of months when they reunited as friends, right? When they reunited, Ubuhle, the one with the child, the one that is allegedly Wiseman Nube's child's mother, comes to Aliyah and says to Aliyah, my friend, it's hard out here. I'm alone. The child has no father. We need to find a father figure for this child. And then they plot and they scheme and they come up with Wiseman Nube, because one of the girls had a tattoo, which is Aliyah, had a tattoo of Wiseman Nube. Yes, literally. The tattoo is actually real. Had a tattoo, and this one was savvy, technologically savvy, Aliyah again. So they were like, if we pin it on Wiseman Nube, people are going to believe us and it's going to go viral. And he will be forced to take responsibility and actually maintain the child. You will be my witness in court. Yes, guys, these girls came up with that story. And then Aliyah wanted to back out at some point out of this plan. And then Buhle apparently started manipulating her and blackmailing her, because it's also alleged that Aliyah is involved in an unaliving case. It is alleged that she and her mom removed people from Earth. Yes, guys, apparently she has a case. Like, it's a case in the court roll of unaliving, removing someone from Earth. Aliyah. So she was like, I'm going to use that against you. So then, Aliyah finds an app to create fake screenshots. Yes, something like Finsta something, the name of the app. And then she uses the app, but she's like, she was feeling like guilty. So she did not want to do it perfectly. She wanted people to see a mistake so they could see, no man, these screenshots are actually fake. They even went to go and create a whole fake page called Mugel Slay. So this girl watched Bad Influence from in Netflix. She loved Bad Influence so much that she started a page called Mugel Slay that came out with a story that they came up with, and then the Mugel Slay. But she thought in her mind, because people watched A Bad Influence on Netflix, they would put two and two together. Hold man, this whole thing is fake. But anyway, we ran with it, like literally. So she put all that information out, and it started generating umlilo, and then the story got big, and then it got viral, and all the responses and the conversations, she created them herself, between herself and herself, So she was acting in a part. And then they started pinning the baby on Wiseman. But then Ubuhle, the actual baby mother, she was like, how can you say my child is 3 months, but my child is 1 year and something? Like, what are you trying to do? And then they started like having their own clash and their own backlash, because this one could see Hori, Aliyah is actually trying to sabotage her, and now she wants to make it seem like the story is fake, and she's betting on Aliyah so that Wiseman can step in and take responsibility for a child that is not his, guys. That is how wild these girls are. Like, that is how insane this whole thing went down. So Aliyah was just betting on us to like find mistakes on the screenshots and then like just dispel this whole thing. so that this one could like leave her. But that didn't happen that way. And it went as far as Wiseman having to come out on social media, even going on podcasts to like clear his name. And then now the girls have come out on TikTok with Aliyah that came out on Facebook, on TikTok, and came up out with a story. And she also exposed Ubuhle, the actual mother of the child, that has nothing to do with Wiseman Mncube. And what I did not understand was Aliyah being upset with Wiseman at how he is reacting to this whole situation. And she was like, she does not appreciate how Wiseman went on a whole podcast and spoke about her unaliving case and how he was speaking about it. He was supposed to say it this way and not this way. I'm like, you do something to someone and then you want to tell them how to react to what you have done to them. This person was supposed to be in their honeymoon phase, in their honeymoon period, but he had to be out here defending himself for fathering a baby that was AI generated. You know? And our sincere apology to Wiseman for not believing him. There is no excuse. There is no reason. Like, I apologize. I apologize profusely. I can imagine the nightmare that this has been for you. It is wild that the actual true story is so unfathomable that we thought it was a fib. We thought you were lying. Like, Sana, Wiseman, and sisazobonana mina nawe. Cela please, ungangishayi. Nanixolisane, guys, nanixolisane. Please. Scoop my mtwarelo. Siyamgubha, please.